In today's video, I'll teach you how to change language in ReelShort. First of all, what you have to do is launch open ReelShort application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. This interface will not be recorded. At bottom of this interface, you'll be able to find various icons. Tap on the profile icon that you'll be able to see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the profile interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find various options like earn rewards, my list, invitation code, my coupons, etc. What you have to do is find the option for language and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find various languages over here. Scroll down for more options. Now what you have to do is tap on the language that you want to change to. Right now English is selected. Here I'm just going to tap on another language. Now once you do that, this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option, confirm. Now once you do that, the language of the application will be changed. So that is how you change language in ReelShort. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.